You give money for put on bridging.
Yo, step going. Step going. I do too much chat.
Oh, you know what you do, you. Oi, boss man.
Yo, don't chat it, man.
A big mistake you make, you know.
Bad living in the family. Everybody want money easy. No one want work. Just hype and jealousy. Now the whole place turn tragedy. Mama talk, but them not listen. One choice change everything. Now them can't escape. Little youth never bad from birth, but him sister bring problem first. Man them link and a plan for the worst. Do this job quick money feel. He never know what he must step into. Gun in a hand, heart start race. I him friend him send him go rob. Same circle, same dirty job. Bad living in the family. Everybody want money easy. No one want work. Just hype and jealousy. Now the whole place turn tragedy. Mama talk but them not listen. One choice change everything. Now them can't escape.
I say you want to live, man, just come in and just gonna cut one big chunk of bun.
I like your style, you know. What you feel like? You are providing, yeah?
I mean, I feel like, you know how the bun buy?
Look,
When I go look and work?
Shut.
Go look and work, man.
Shut, man. Shut too much too.
You just look like one big old cruff. Eh?
So me a cruff. So you have a.
I mean, me awa.
You must say 5 years older than me, you know. A long time left out of mommy house, you know.
Yeah, me know me if you live with my man and out of mommy house. But yeah, man, if you went for your throw to cement bucket and I use up your strength in your name down the house, you must say chichi. Yeah, chichi?
You can't choose cement bucket with me too.
Just wait till mommy come, man.
If you live off of your fat.
No, just wait till mommy come.
Wait till mommy come. Wait till you chatting. I'm here, man.
Mommy.
No money.
Mommy.
How are going in there, sir? Why me have to stay all the way out this one ear on the mouth in here? Why problem? And every time me by my ear
I
on
eat off a bun, mommy. Look on the big slice where boy cut. And he don't know how bun buy.
So you go cruise for him for a piece of bun?
It's
Yeah,
too
so eat
big,
up
yeah,
the
eat
grass,
like you
yeah.
don't want nobody else to eat.
No.
Oh, so what if I eat?
So you got done the bun in a one day?
So, hold on.
You know, says a wicked.
You sure say not take none?
Mommy, me saw him alone. Look on the big piece where him cut. Like him don't want nobody else to eat none.
Listen to me. Me tired of this. Me tired of this every day and every night on no cuss. You know, like when man and woman live by the yard and look on and argue over. Like seriously?
Mommy, if you go look work.
But the
Me
one
feel
and
like
need
say
to go
my
look work
stress
in here.
out. If you go look work.
As this done heat, you can do the out back. So I know why I cry over fast. So
Oi,
one all the way. So
big old holiday. Big holiday. See the empty pot pan the stove there. Before no cook, you in here chat about who take big bun and who this and who that. Piece of bun, you no argue over bun. Eh?
And I
Big holiday and you no cook.
And I tell me say me have one bag of man, mommy.
She did a long, like she tell me. She did a long time. She did for cook.
Are you a girl in your house, you know? You're the woman.
Style,
You
man.
don't say me how no matter, but you know what I mean. So you should do the cooking and make him go outside, go cut the yard because the yard won't read up.
You don't plan live up on your side, no me. You understand? Cause you actually go get a work and thing. You understand?
At this age, where should they work? I can't tell me about you don't have plan for look work and you soon come out. Why you never they work before now? Just because you don't want to cook. Nobody not say you can't eat the bun. You go put on the pot on the fire. You should have make me go out and come back and get little food to eat. You know, they argue like our wife and husband.
You want to take piece of the bun. You go cook her or something.
All you no one talk to you. I don't understand you, your sister, you know. I swear to God, I don't understand it all now. Why you not behave so? Me tired of it. Hello, wait, hold on. Before me talk to you, I need to talk to you two on one time. Jessica, come here, Jessie. Come here.
You see that only?
Come over here, so come and see where
So
problem.
like
Me see where problem I come from. Come over here, so. Nobody sit down beside him. Me can't take your problem. Let me talk to you two now. Final talking me a go now. Come me tired of it. You know I no pitney in this, you know. You know adult. You understand me? And you see the way you know behave? Me not like you and you know sound good. From you live here so. None of the neighbor them never hear me. They go on like it one. What is the problem between the two of you? No need to stop it. You go on in the kitchen go cook where they cook. And me no want hear no more argument in here from the two of you. You go out the door, go cut the yard and make sure you see a rake it up.
Yeah, me
And do it good.
go try cut yard.
Else, listen to me.
We
Come
can't
on
use
here.
machine so good enough.
Sit down right at some and wait until me done talk to you. Things that should because you reach too much a year old. That means I me not right to talk to you. Wait until me finish, then you go. Ask
Alright.
me when me done talk. Say if me finish, if you
Yes,
can't
ma'am.
move now, mommy. You don't know no manners. No home training as big as you know is. Listen to me. You say if you no continue, if you no continue this a foolishness in here, the two of you have to go come out from under my roof, go live on your own and go look work. You have to go find a job.
Where are the Paul? There, man. Where are dealing? Yeah.
So you see what's going on now?
I check the money and still, you know. Feel your feet cut out tight, you see me? All that there.
What is that?
We look, the money to you, Virgin.
What
The
is-
money, the money. What happened?
So what is looks up?
Count the thing, Virgin. Let me know it looks so. 100 and then a youth.
You know, say come like a joke thing to listen for.
What do you mean joke thing? I
What
don't
do you mean?
understand. So what? You know good?
600?
Check the thing, Virgin. I ate that. I remember I said 2 man for
Yo, listen man. At 7 that you know. Listen to someone. This still too
Listen to
small,
me.
man.
But remember say you have man to give money out of that, you know.
Out of this.
What do you mean out of this? You come like you forget how the clock work, Virgin. Say now you used to share, so what happened?
Father Paul, listen to someone.
Them two virgin I forget their money, man. Not just pay them more time. Boss man. You're good man. Look here. You see this? Remember I said me have police to pay out of this, you know. Me have all the carrier to pay out of this, you know. So me not understand how you move, so what go on?
Father Paul, everything good, man.
What do you mean by everything? Look it, boss man. How you move so? See I go on like say boy because of this you set up all bar. Successful bar and work and all them something. Why you move some of you? What happened?
My bar, watch one.
What do you mean watch bar?
Nothing at all going on now.
I mean, not too go on. I mean, I tell you to forget some machine and put in place. Everybody a gamble right now. Them like it's a pretty box. Use your head, no virgin.
Yeah, so when you give me that money,
Just
them
pay the man them out. You're going like I first me of the business, boss man. Never whole heap of people pay with this.
Alright, Father Paul, everything good, man. Isn't it?
You know, something I like your energy, I'm not like him, boss man.
No, man, we're good, man. What can I let you, man? We're good, man.
Make sure you're good in the boss.
Everything good, man.
Zane?
Come to your Father Paul, man. Everything good, man.
Say so, we're good.
Yeah, man, everything good, man.
Make sure. Look here, man. We have bigger shipment come in. This is a quacka, you know, man.
Alright,
See?
self, man.
Alright?
Man, connect you, man.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Let's connect, man. Alright? Think.
So sis, how Jayden and Jesse?
Master, you couldn't ask me about myself. Your one sister where you have in a real life. You couldn't ask me about me. I disgrace them. Me shame fit talk about me, I tell you the truth. Me, I want mother when I take off in no picnic. From your body and your dirty and your heart no good. That's how you go. You have to go hate me as my son and my daughter. Yeah. It's a disgrace in the community.
So what happened?
Every day them cuss and fight and war. When enough food them a cuss over, them a cuss about them figure look and none of them not look no work, you know. None of them not look no work. Then just a use as one little sham for me. They think say, oh, them a plan for look work. They not look no work. God forbid, but who to tell if Jessica no they sell her body and my son, Jayden. Him look like I say I walk on broke people place.
Alright, me say something to you, sis, and this I gotta be one brutal, honest truth. Sometimes as parents, we fi take my blame to, you know. And the reason why I'm so, them are both two big man and big woman. Sometimes you have to put them out, make them feel the harsh reality of the world, make them find one house go rent, and we force them to go look what if they in their yard. And yeah, cook and give them free, them a live free. What you think will happen? Them all want go look work?
My brother, me understand you. But oh God, man. You would have really love to see your niece and your nephew them out on the road. I walk and I beg. And I sleep on roadside and then something there while their mother have somewhere can put them up until they get somewhere for themselves. Me understand enough because them are adult, them figure look work. They feel look work. But boy, me not tell a lie. You think I know me want to put them out, but me just afraid people go say what a wicked woman.
Alright, so if you don't want to put them out, here what me suggest. Take my foolish advice. Sit them down and have a real heart-to-heart conversation with them. And make they understand you're serious. Because at the end of the day, then probably just start say, okay, you're their mother, so then can just do as they feel like. So you have to really sit them down and give them a real talk. Or if you want, me can talk to them for you.
Don't worry about it. Because you know they stay already. Remember, say they're not really teenager again. You know they easy if you think all kind of something I say. And then if mommy have to go to their uncle go say this and that, maybe talk to them. Nobody talk to them. Maybe talk to them, man.
Alright. It cause when the roast piece of breadfruit, you know, as an auntie.
No food can stay in the house. You don't understand what I say? Everything me
No,
put
me
in
I
there.
talk about my house, so me roast some breadfruit and some auntie
No,
want
I
some
see, me I
food.
tell you, hungry I kill me. Me glad say I have family little food. No food can stay in my yard because them big old ass steering picnic that me have on me out. Me no eat from morning.
Alright, so me look for something for you.
Alright. Thank you.
I want some money for do something, man. I not have enough money to make up do it.
Oh, every time I see you, you always have a money problem still. Oh, you know, me always help you out seeing you. So I know what I worry for. Just say the word, man.
Me appreciate that. So,
Oh.
so let me bother you.
So like how much money say you want to
Go on $30,000.
do? Still, you know. Give you money still, man. Why can't spend it with me, you know?
Me dey plan for spend the night. Never did I go nowhere.
So say 30 grand up and get 5 minutes extra saying put in your pocket as it.
Yeah, thanks. I really appreciate it. I know why you feel like so true you give me money, make me a stay now. Me a stay because me rate you. Me really like you.
I mean that.
Yeah. Can you check for me always? I help me.
But I not really sure myself, so if I really want to know as it.
I know I come wash for you sometime, I cook for you, so what you mean?
But as I talk about cooking still, how will I cook?
I'm gonna drink some soup.
Red pea soup. Time on time, you know.
I'm gonna drink some soup for you.
Alright. So I gotta shop and get the thing them still on circle.
Just get garlic, scallion, get piece of Irish, get piece of yam, and get one coconut powder. Okay, no, and the peas, just that, and the meat. We have meat already in our fridge. Hello? Hmm? What happened? So which part you then now? So who did the video? Jesus Christ. Alright, me I go come now. Which hospital? Alright, me I come. Mm-hmm.
How old are you?
Babe, me have to go leave.
Oh,
My mother just called me say she in a hospital. She have pressure in her from what day yeah, some people are kinda argue with her over some land and something and it come like say she dropped down in a yard. Me have to go leave.
so we can't carry them, we can't drop it off.
No man, me alright. Our brother go pick me up in a town.
Sure.
Yeah man, me not go put it through that distress there.
Alright, call up me if anything, eh?
Hmm?
I said, call up me if anything.
So you know want me come back when me leave?
Man, know yourself, man. I am mother that no one. Probably wonder when the mother help her jump around and thing.
Me no know what this after we plan for cook and enjoy ourselves.
I just let go, man. I just got to work, man. You see me?
Alright, come follow my guys.
Go on.
Me not understand why you're not chill. Where we just
What you mean with me? I do? Me not do nothing.
can you play some dangerous game? Serious games you play. You know say man them kill a few woman them. You call me phone and you ask me for a favor. I do it not knowing what you are doing only to find out say I can people. What do you?
So, let me ask you something, Chrissy. You never can man yet?
Not like this.
I mean,
Yeah, give them things to have over you, and if they can do something, you can't complain because you ask for this. And I'm not even one person you do it to.
oh, you know that? Oh, you know. When tell about the big top shop man that when me did have when tell about him?
What about him?
Girl, me have one nice money man. The manager have one nice but one of the latest vaccine. Girl, when the man that give me money, you see if me say me want 50,000 and give me 50,000, I say me be no say me want one more for the enemy give me.
So why you can people for them? Why? It not enough?
Me bills them, Chrissy.
Jesus.
You see, if me not do it, all me eat. Hmm? And not all the time good girl go come up here and ask if you cook. If me not do it, all me eat, Chrissy.
When you can the man never say you can the man then get cross.
Me
And
not
they
make
start.
no man know where me live.
I just see.
Me not make them know where me live. I can't make them know where you live. But you not cook.
No, me not. Me know say you come.
Beg you look water. One look water. Beg you look water, ice water.
Me not have no ice water. Back water me have in room temperature.
Beg you one of them, come thirsty.
I go on, bossy. Brother-in-law. I go on, you know.
And money can come give me.
No, so that me come to talk to you about still. See me.
Where you
I
ask?
not
And
keep
still.
I not keep the bartender and the next bartender. Because that the bill that we are showing up. That the bill in the right, you know, something wrong.
Bill up me, I show you.
Yeah, man, there's something wrong, man.
Bill up me, I show you.
Wrong on one part, bossy, because I see how they see on bill and them some holy powder. So, if you want if I bartender give your friend them thing there. And a high cut in bill.
So what you try to say?
Boss.
What you try to say? Bartender put the bill.
Nah, you see that, you know. When me say, I don't have a clue about any NSC and them thing, me.
You see what I say?
Young lad are special, and I ain't king for virgin.
You hear me I say? You see 40,000 you owe me? You want it like right now. So I'm trying to have no pocket down. A business man anything a party shut down, brother.
What's me and brother in line, man?
That no matter, man. And a party shut down. It's a
You what's
family.
a party shop here?
Listen to you.
Me make you get him money, man.
It's a family and friend. Match up business. See, anytime you pay me my money, you can buy anything as a brother in line. You see me I say?
Yeah, man. That's me say me gonna make you get him money. You make you get an idea. So me gonna just jump on that box. I remember fight on just jump on and just beat the box, beat it wicked.
Yo,
I make you get your money.
you know say I fool at man for though.
You mean fool, bossy?
You know what man? Come on, please.
Boss, me say I can beat the box
No.
wicked.
Come out and place me some man.
Right now 50 Jamaica, give me come out. Na customer, you know.
That no matter man. Your customer they have pay your money. Pay your bill. So come out and place. I'm gonna give you a weekend.
But you see them styling ya.
Yo, let's go out and place.
Alright. Everything good.
Like a fool take man for you. Go on, babes. Where you going? Nah. Jaja, where you dealing? You ready?
B, I want to tell you, say me just get a call a while ago. Mommy called me, say she in a hospital. I have to go down there.
What?
So me can't put tired. Me just want to collect a little money before the rain and try it down at the hospital.
So I'm to her.
Pressure them a cuss over land. Me don't know for what reason. Me try to talk to her until I have to keep calm, but
No.
it not work. Yeah.
You know what, doctor jack me jack up. I'm ready for carry you now.
But me want come to be. Nobody
Oh.
look some man. You know I'm gonna make it up to you.
Jaja, man. Why no, man?
I like the watch out. And you watch how you buy it.
Man, I watch argument thing, man. Man, just ready and now you just come, Joe. Your mother still in
Why
about.
you did have plans to make you feel so upset?
I go like you know, don't know, you know. When me doctor jack up, you know, man, you know what you think. Listen now.
Me just want $50,000.
I'm disappointed still, you know, John, you know. Police.
Bez, beg your uncle and Mona, please.
Why, man, tell her one channel story.
You know, I have to go find fear and I have to go.
Police.
Thanks. Thank you, baby.
Come on, everything cool, man. Jaja.
So when me I go see you? You come pick me up tomorrow?
You know, most man.
When I come back, because I'm going to have to go spend the night down there with her. You know them doctor, they stay already. If you not push them, them not do nothing. So pick me up tomorrow, me call you.
Alright, cool.
Give me a little smile, no babe.
You don't know, you wouldn't understand still, no, cause trust me, you know, me have your heart set for that thing, are you ready? And then after that, you know, it's things set up. But it's alright, you're your mother, so me understand still, so you go.
May I try to get you on bus?
Alright, that's cool.
I love this. Don't cut you, later.
Young girl, why won't you change your ways? I'm just doing the best that I can now.
You see what I'm talking about, you know.
Hold on, may I come? May I check something? What is? What this a yellow sign I mean? This a why be?
Jamaica Public Service Company Limited. And
Okay.
JPS that only.
Mm-hmm. I'm glad somebody send you to school. Thank God you know say a JPS.
Alright.
So you know what me call about. Mm-hmm.
I understand.
The amount of bill when me get in my email. Me get Wi-Fi bill, water rate, JPS, one IPA bill. And then I saw. You see the light bill alone? 35,000.
35.
The light bill alone is 35,000. Me want to know where you, Jayden, you can tell me, please, God, please make me just talk normal, cause me no want get mad right now. Me alone I pay the bills. Me alone I feel every pain and pressure with all of them a bill and they buy food for them a big old ass steerage jackass me when me have. Where should they look up? Listen to me. Can you imagine? JPS bill is 35,000. That the bill they alone, you know, include water, Wi-Fi, nothing, you know, include food, nothing else.
Understand. No, I say.
Me need some support. God no. I don't have to go look at job. What happened to the work where you did say you go? Where you say they look about or where you go get or whatever? Where you go?
Oh, they hurt there. Yeah, man, me put in the work, man.
That's how you say every day.
Put in the work. It's only that me like really getting out tight yet. I say put in the work before I get paid, you know.
I know, every day you put the same amount of salt in the pot. That's why it is so. Get the maths. Change up your ways now, man. Change up your little folly ground, your little attitude they want change. My son, me not cuss you know. Me know say me a no mother. And me not go leave you out there if you go astray or hungry or left on up on road if you go thief people things or go do this and do that. But you're a big man now, you come at age where you're supposed to dey work and go out and a coming back every day. Make me feel proud as a mother say, yeah, that a my son. Me no want no scammer. My son, me proud of you, but me shame of you in a one way. Me want you understand it. It's kind of nice and then it kind of sound bad, but you have to get it good. And if you not try to get it, you won't get it. At your age, you should have go out as me tell you already before. I'm going to tell you 1,000,000 times, say, you should have go out and then coming back from work. Mommy, me tired, you cook. Yeah, and me say, yes, my son or whatever. You give me your money, say, help me up buy grocery. What is this? I want to they use so make the light bill come up to 35,000. I want to when they do so. I want to see. Then can you imagine? Look on this. Next one. Look on the floor bill. Look on the floor bill. Let me scroll up a little further. You see water commission bill? Okay. You see how much?
And TikTok reward.
I won't know the... I TikTok on depend every day.
You get money off of TikTok.
I run up my bill. Me I get money off of TikTok. Me? From who? You?
That's a good thing. You ever see how put in the work thing?
Listen to me. Me ain't no joking, you know, Jayden.
Mommy, say no more. Kayate. I'm go on the road and I'm going to put in some work. I'm going to bring a piece of money right now. So I make sure say boss don't really play with me certain way. So I go out on the street, you know.
Just remember, say me get the bill them and me show you it. So which part your piece of sister there? Because she need to help pay the bill too. And your sister, and me left it to you at the time when I run up the bill and me no know when I wash off on so water rate gone sky high. Me can't manage it, to have to go help me.
Go feet. You want low now. One
Big
low.
one.
You say no, boss.
You tell you last time.
Boss, you say we get the money for you.
Not just me don't want to see them place me get money. Yo, not just me don't want to see them place me get money. You know, listen.
Boss, you don't know a thing already, man. I try to get the money for you.
And they have to
You
play
know like you
box.
did violence, brother-in-law.
And they have to play box.
You know box me for play, boss. Me not see another box go up and me have to go up on this one.
You
Make
must
sure
say,
you
man.
get the money.
Yo, you must say, man. You see, now that you pay money right now, eh? Look for me when I talk to you, man. You see, hard if you pay me right now, and I still up on our work.
Boss, right now, me can't push shovel, you know. Me can't sing bucket and anything. I'm not even a boss. So what kind of work you have? Me right now, let me try to like jackpot make sure you get your payment, you know. I'm not like I use violence for me in a brother-in-law.
I don't say come out of food them for. What do you mean I can't lift bucket and them thing there? Eh?
Look for me, look for
You
me.
must say, man. I don't know how they work this still. You see it?
What kind of
Just a
work?
pick up and drop off work. You see it? I'm not a snitch for my thing now that took. You may tell you?
Yeah, man, if I work, man.
Check me 7 o'clock.
No, switch boss, but I just don't like how you have pint here in my face.
You have
Just
money
say
on the
me
box
brother-in-law. Yeah, man, see money on the box here,
Straight
man.
off and left, man. You see me?
Alright, we're going to do that then. See how I'm saying. Hey, my voice broke, you know. Alright, come again.
What? So what? What? Why you look so?
Me can't take this thing no more. Me can't take it. Me can't, I swear me can't take it no more, man. All of the bills them, man. Me alone have to pay so much bills. Me just ask a brother for one money. Because the light bill alone at 35,000. Not to mention water rate and the Wi-Fi bill. Plus me have food to go buy. No,
Mama
man.
finna run him out, mommy. Me tell her to run him out of the house.
Run out over pitney.
We can't help the nothing.
No, if puss come to show and me have to run out the town and me running out. But me now go just get up out of the blues and running out for no reason I wanna go out the road go suffer. And they all about
How
over
much
the
money
place.
you have towards the light bill?
No worry about that. If you dey support, you support. You just put where you want put. And me always pay. No question me pan that. Me one big woman. Me tell you something. You alone can pay all the light bill for the first time. And me go make you situate that your brother pay the water rate and the flow bill. Me we go buy the food them and pay for the other rest of sitting them. And this thing when me take out down what you call it? Quotes. Me alone we pay pan it.
No, mommy, but me have 9,000. Me I give you 9,500.
Out of 35.
But mommy, that me have. I see 150 me have left.
Although your brother don't even thank you anyway, cause your brother no have not even dollar. Where you say you give me 9,500?
9,500. Just
Alright,
make
thank
that see
you.
if it can work out.
Me know say you one big woman now, you know. But me still your mother. Where you get money from? Cause you're not working.
Mommy and my boyfriend give me money to do me ear.
For the year and you have this left out there. So you know, remember say light, you need light, you need water, and you need food and other things, etc. etc. You prefer go do here and sleep in the dark. You prefer do here and down bed because you don't have no water. You rather do here and then you can go back on your phone to call the same man. Why you never use it and say, make me ear stay a little bit and me go see if me can help my mother sort out something. How comes the light bill reach at
I tell
35,000?
if you run him out of the house, mommy. Now that me I tell if you get rid of him.
Oh, that coming at this. Me say, how comes
Get rid
the
of him,
light
man.
bill reach at 35,000? Why not do so? Why problem? I wanna do so. Eh? I wanna do. When I finish bed, I leave the shower on in the bathroom.
When him a beard him take all 3 hours. I don't know when my beard off for him.
You not talk about yourself, you just talk about him. Me not go be biased with him, with no tight one, you know, it one on me picnic. This is what you give me, thank your feet, but you can't do nothing.
I know I'm hungry now.
Yeah, big woman, go and go find Sydney in the can me lean, they go and go Tony and cook and drink with water. Cause if you know you want lobster and shrimp and something, like go look work for no can buy or no can afford. Lucky.
You remember I think I tell you about what day?
Why, you didn't want to borrow some money from me?
That part of that in it too, but you know say, the thing rough right now. You see me? Right now, you have to go lend me all 2 times the money there, you know, cause me have some whole pack crisis right now. But your dog then say rough. Rough. You see me?
Bro, me must say, you tell me say you want to borrow $10,000. Say you tell me say you want to borrow $20,000. How I go on? What you do so?
Don't worry about that, man. If I even 30, you can let me see me. That's
Jay,
me I fall from far, man. I'm a good virgin for them 10 men, man.
bro, listen to me. Me and your friend, but you're not working. You know? Why not just go borrow money from your mother or your sister?
Sister. Bro, you don't know me the girl not dealing at all. But I think she go on and feel like say, oh, she a saint and me a devil, you know.
Well, I feel no business not, you know.
The worst thing me no want go to her about nothing at all, cause she go chat and tell mother about all bad thing me a go on. You see me I say and tell mother me, I don't have pressure on me right now. You see?
You understand? Why feel life complicated? But I know you're not tell me what really I want, bro. Why you want to borrow money from me?
Alright, here I go on. Me a good virgin, so I tell her what I go on. I'm bartender girl. Rip me off. The real way. Go day man bar what day you know as me a buy 2 drink and something. So you know say bartender girl. I cut my bill what day man bar.
Mm-hmm.
After me go there and say me a beat 2 bucks and something. And it a go on good. And I bridge them forward and I say, what you drink? Oh, I say I drink a Heineken. So just give me a Heineken. Never one special I go and beat and feel nice and something and I go on and I go on. You see me? But me hear how much more upon the bill? 40,000. So I say, how comes? You know say me need take this and take that to me. I say when? Let me remember when like a Spanish fly girl, Spanish fly me or Molly or sitting, you know. She don't even know you.
First thing, bro.
No bartender na hike up your bill, bro. Me know how you stay.
What do you mean?
Bro, when you reach in a bar, you start buy up beer things. And that's why your bills so high.
Brother, I don't know nothing at all about that. And that me sleep on the bill and shout him some other Hennessy on him. Let me say when. I only thing me remember, I one special me other. And bros get a Hennessy, must say me the junk and something. Brother, Tom junk but Tom no fool, you know. You see me?
Bro, I tell you already enough time now, you need to stop gambling. You need to stop buying drinks to people when you go to a bar. Me know how you stay. You need to relax.
Oh, bro, I don't say they lend me money already.
No, me never say that. Me say me might lend you money.
But yeah, if you have money, you lend me money, bro.
Me nah no money, dog. Me nah no money, sorry. So you have to sort out fear and game and business.
That's what I want to sort out. So we have to owe Damien. So we can't just owe you. Because right now, Damien tell me, say, you know, if we can't sort out the funds, you know, then we can do some work for him, you know. You understand? We will do the work, see me. I just say go, because you not lend me money, bro.
What do you mean he want you to do work for him?
That he must say, come home me so much money. I mean, I have a figure, so I have to go work for him. I mean, I say, I can tell you, see me, because I say, yeah, I'm good bridging for him time, you see me. So you can afford him with me and thing.
Uh-uh.
What you mean?
Bro, me not depend that. Me not depend that. Me not gonna do nothing for Damien. Me know how Damien stay. Them man they are sound dangerous, man. So if you owe him so much money, you better just pay him back and not do no work for him. Next thing he send if you go kill man or something. Me not depend that.
So make you have your thing, negative thing in a fear head right now.
Me hear a lot of things about Damien. I don't want normal youth. So you have to know what you do.
Brother, you say can't go court, you know.
I mean, I
I
say,
don't think them thing there. You have to just do work.
just on their business.
Sir.
Market man. Yo, you must know. It's a writer, sir. When you rob a boy writer, sir, now you see it.
Rob.
But that's a problem thing,
You
man.
know what Tim said at the condo boss? Tim said have a work for me. I'm telling you, I can't mind certain work in a boss.
I mean, who are you, homie?
No ways.
So hear me, I say. Until you say, how do I pick up and drop off? Zine, so I go pick up the food right so and drop it off and give me.
You don't say children that talk about you. But so make you can't pick up and drop it off yourself.
Yo, hear me, I say, man. Don't get dark like last boss, man. So hear me, I say, brother. And this I come for, and this I've gonna deal right now. Hear me, I tell you? You have tool?
No, I'm not stop, no anything that.
So how you gonna do this?
No, you have to go give me a strap.
Never get some.
You have to
You have to figure out this. Because I must have you homie. You hear me tell you? So I can come show up a place there. So make sure by tomorrow you connect me on foot with a piece of food and pocket.
So I have to go wear ski mask or something.
So that be the way you want, you know?
Alright, at least ski mask legal for you in Jamaica still. You can't just walk going, but not to pay attention to that.
Just do the right thing, brother. Remember right side now? See me, look. Number 5. Nobody gonna wrong. But else door, brother. Number 5.
Yeah, number 5, let's go.
Don't talk to them.
So the camera there.
Now no food with me, you know.
There we go. One of the pump final. One in big belly boy. Not this other all crowd.
Boss man, you give money for good on Bridget.
No, step back.
How you know what you do, you. Oi, boss man.
Yo, don't chat it, man.
A big mistake you make, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know.
Yes, you have money in there, yo. Pull the one for you.
You hear, yo.
Yeah, big million of fish.
Alright, cool. Alright, boss.
No, fish.
Remember a big mistake you make.
Money right now. Don't chat it.
Babe.
Oh, God.
So you look so. What happened?
Man, them rob me, you know, man.
When?
You see the man?
What did they take from you?
Man, they got all of my money, you know. Every God Almighty said me have, you know. I have to smart about the place, you know.
The
Smart
man didn't take away all of your money?
all of my money gone.
Everything, babe? Then I left you with nothing?
I'm like in a year.
Jesus Christ. Spare me, do Father God. Everything.
You just come here and ask about everything. I'm like, it come like a heart, like a concern about money.
B, don't me come and me hug you up. And you tell me say they rob you. But me want to know. You don't have nothing put on nowhere else. Everything just, you talk like everything gone. Everything, for true, like everything.
You understand everything mean? Every God Almighty. Me have money when me put everything together if you go flip. If you go double money, cause sure thing. Man, they run in and take everything.
So you put everything together, you don't put on none aside for me. If in case it may pop up, you just put everything but then go on with it, so.
So me know, you know. All of them concerned about money, you know. You come here and say you don't have no other nothing to talk about. How you stay, how you just money.
No know what this me I hear. I must joke this.
You listen to yourself. You listen to yourself. Eh?
What me I go do now?
What you are gonna do?
Because apparently look like you broke now, because you said they take everything. So what me I go do now? What you want me if you do now? Tell me, just tell me what you want me to do.
You know what you have to do? Go on about your business. Go on about your business. And that's what you have to do. If you want to know what to do, go on about your business. With nothing with concern, you come all about you. No, listen. No, Me see what you're about.
So what you mean by me if you go on? What that mean?
Simple mean. They rob me and then gone. You come, you go on.
So I say go just throw me underneath the bus like that because they rob you?
Because me see what you're all about. So might as well let us go on. Simple as that.
So basically me love you for your money. That you say?
So it look, I know that it is.
Well, me did just there sit and I think about it myself. I said it nah go work. Because from the moment you tell me say, then take everything, it nah go work. It nah go work. And to all you go on, you never deserve me to. Bye.
Can't get a good girl nowadays still, I think.
Alang, tanya tila fiada suit me, no?
Hello. Yeah, supper Jen.
Hey, Chrissy, David girl.
Jayden, what is going on? Martin.
Good to see you.
I like to see you too. What going for you?
No long talk. You don't want to drink.
Let me get one supper Jen.
Supper Jen. Bartender, who's our big sickness? NSA, Grey Goose. Go ahead.
No, we don't want not like that. Give me light beer. Me take one light beer. No, the lemon one.
Light one, yeah.
So, what going for you?
Or go on to me. Only one things we must go on here to go on for us.
That's
time,
That so bad.
a long time you shut off for you, know.
That's true. That's
But
true.
you have to sign it one night time, but our right time now. You know, say,
You know, I can't.
we're about to deal, man. Bartender, watch out. Keep it chain to see you, man. You see that?
What kind of work you do know?
You know, say, an entrepreneur thing, bro. Art and craft and anything.
Can't say it's going good for your boy. Look good.
True, true. Gotta take care of you right now.
That's so
Come
bad.
on,
They can't
I'll
open
set
this
it
place.
I think I'm a food for me right now. I think you don't buy no one.
No, you can't give yours. You can't give yours for sure.
876.
No, put it in. Thank you.
Right there. Anyways, you look fantabulous too, you know. Look how you take care of yourself, you know, girl, Chrissy.
Right, back at you. You look nice too.
No, you take care of yourself some more. You gotta lift up right now, you know. Yo, just take this out. Just take that. Take this though. No cap, my friend. No cap.
So Father Paul, where's the really going? Can you come by phone after thing to me, I don't really understand, you know, man.
You know you want.
No, you are going. That's why I come and check you.
You don't know say them running for me.
Man, they running for you.
I said them and them a man running for me last night.
So how you made that happen?
How me that happen? And that me want to know how it happen.
This come like a joke thing to me right now, brother.
Listen, man.
So what them take from you?
Man, them gone with all that money.
All that money.
Let me tell you something. I see my in the camp, you know. That's what I'm sure about, you know.
So you know what I'm saying to you now? There's a sense as you have somebody in your camp. That simple means say your camp nah run good.
You're right about that, you know. Say no changes I forgot make, you know.
Yeah, I've made changes. Cause I pray people right now, you know.
And me I pray everybody. Everybody me I pray.
What do you mean I pray everybody?
Me say me I pray everybody.
So that means say I pray me too.
Boss man, you know hear me say? Everybody. All the man running for me, me not trust nobody in a boss man.
Hear me I say, man. You need to fix up your argument straight, you know. Hear me I tell you? Fix up your argument straight. What do you mean I pray everybody?
Boss man, the man.
So you're basically telling me to me have something for do with the robbery.
You hear me say so?
So that mean I pray everybody in the camp.
Boss man, how the man running for me now? Somebody have to know something. You have to know something. The man just running for man, I know where man they are.
Listen,
correct time and I'm something they
Listen, man. Sometimes who you know think do it, you know.
But damn right, you said that.
You see me?
Sure.
Cause good only woman do this too.
Boss man.
That more until you.
Now hear me tell you, say.
Oh.
Me I pray everybody, me say. Everybody. Man just running for me and run out and think I saw it go. You know go so.
You know, so just start yourself. Cause I go start talking to him for my brawl, you know, kind of boy can't do like couldn't do, you know.
Yeah, hear me. You see like how you there in the street more than me. I ask them, I beg if you hear nothing, you know, just report, you know, boss man. And make me know I go on the cause. I know so you go, you know.
Cover yourself, man. You know, man, I'm information, but you know, I'm a dog, so you know, I'm gonna tell you what I'm going.
Man can't run in for me and you go so boss man.
Cover yourself, man.
Anyhow you go up on the road and you hear nothing, man. Just leave the boss man.
So let me ask you a question. How much money you take so? That me really want to know.
Boss man. Man, I got with the ball. You understand what I mean by that?
Cover yourself, man.
Man, then time me.
Listen to me, man. Cover yourself, man. But the hook of the cook, I'm gonna find out who this here.
I want to.
Believe.
Yeah?
Believe.
Man, I run in for myself.
Hey, mommy.
Where you look so happy? Where you come from?
You see, I've hurt me come off a door.
You work? Never know say you work.
I tell you, me I work, mommy. You don't believe in me, you know? No, my name. My name, mommy.
Jayden, you want your nickname, the more no call on one another on social media. I mean, I it with you know.
Yes, me tell you. And my name, True Believer Miller. Mommy. Say a word, no, man. Anyways, I have exciting news to tell you. You know you're going excited too. But, no, just take this and pay some bills.
How you get US from?
Hey, look, sir. You be surprised.
For what?
Mommy, a big things I'm making for you.
A scam?
You scamming. You don't really put them thing there already.
Where you get money from?
Yeah.
That me I ask you. Where you get this
Can't believe I
1,
really
2,
ask
3,
you.
400 US? No, me thank God for you. Thank you very much. But
If
where
you're
you get it
excited,
from?
if you have a question, me don't tell us I work me at my already.
Work. Alright.
Some art and crafting that you will pan the Nigwil Beach.
I lie.
Yeah, some carvings and some art paintings. You know some love art already.
Then me never know say you could have carve.
Of course.
No.
I have to do I learn.
No, what master. Anyway, thank you very much. You can help pay some of the bills then.
So you want Jess there? What for she do? She not help pay your bills too.
Lord Jesus. You
You know,
start
some
again.
things them in the place no more.
Eh?
If you know that what list girl them man.
Eh.
You not going nothing at all.
So she give me this. Me for run out your sister.
No, a long time for run her out. She big enough right now.
But me cannot turn around what you just say and put it the other way. A long time me for run out the two of you. The two of you are adult. None of you should not underneath my roof. Anytime you come here, so I should have care things come give me. For help, support me as no mother. You got tell me for run out your sister and keep you in there.
That I really say.
I two of you have to come out. Not because you give me this. Stop it, man.
Me take you walking.
Me not run out.
Want it.
You want it back?
It's alright, it's alright.
Eh? No, you want it
Don't worry
back?
about it. I joke me make man. I joke me
You
make.
think already
No,
for
you're
start see me
serious.
start now? Not true. Me I
I
talk
would
to you
never do
too
that,
nice from ever
I
since,
would
you know.
never, I would never take it.
9 months me carry in a boy, where you say you give me money and you want it back?
No, I'm grateful for everything you do.
See
for me.
the take it back. Take it back. You have it. Ah, that's it. Jesus Christ. Boy, why did that you just make drop out of your throat? You give me this. See the take it back.
back. You know, say, my mother, take it and pay the bills, man. I'm so serious. I pay her bill for that.
Not like you vibes where they pan with your sister, you know. A time for no stop now. Stop,
Me-
man. Argue too much.
We just want some more. You know, me love you already. I must say, my first did it long time now. Me nothing at all can grow nothing. You know.
Me hear you. I mean, I know where your sister there. I don't know where you ask me for her for. I don't know if she gone out the road. I don't know if she in her room. I don't know which patch there. Alright.
Get some rest, man.
So me I say, then he come like, then I lick him, then I lick him, then I lick him like, then just rob him. Take me look at chillings and what's alright, then I eat that because me frightened with me good on there. Look here, Chrissy, for this longest while me no feel so hurt, girl. Because remember, me no want it, me no and things them I want. You understand? Me I say, and when him out tell me, say then rob him, you know what me do?
What you do?
Me no left him. Me left him. What you want me to do after?
Jesus.
Then rob him and take away everything when he have, every money when he have.
Oh, wait, I'm talking about Brooke. All of this time, I come to you and tell us, your brother look me. Genevieve tell me, and not that me I speak bad for your brother, I want to use him, you know.
I hate the look of, me say, me no like him, you know. Me tell me if run him out of yard, he not work. So what you mean?
I don't understand. You don't live same place again.
Yeah, but me not,
So
me
how
I tell
you know say your brother have money? Your brother have money. I mean, not talk about play money. Your brother have money. Your brother pay for everybody bills. Me tell us me get one nice piece of money for your brother.
And he make mommy done that suffer so. Then he ask him where he get the money from.
Me if at my place to ask him.
I wonder me can make a call and find out from mommy if he can get the money from him. When he get the money.
2 days ago, me tell us me. Yeah, 2 days ago, man.
Me call mommy and find out if a boy I give him the money because you know so me not get her phone. Girl, me soon come.
Where I go?
Me want know where my brother get the money there from. Chrissy, I whole heap of money you talk about, you know.
Seriously, but I know your man money and your money, your brother money, what the issue?
Girl, what you talk, say, man? Let me go find out where the man get the money from. Me no feel like my mother want money. Me want money. And he good at spend a gambler for all that money.
Alright.
Me soon come. Just give me by 1 3 hour time because me have to know when you get the money there from. All that kid work.
Oh my word.
Hello.
One lion me a singing.
Hello. Where you get money from?
Hold on.
Just, you know, say you want wicked
we are
piece
doing?
of boy, you wicked, you know? And you get money. That the amount of money. Where you get money from a brav? And a chop and girl? Where you get money from?
I know what you talk about, you know. Because first thing me no dealings. I know what you come and talk about.
You give mommy
What kind
money?
of money you talk about?
You know me and your brother and sister. Where school that? Where you going so?
What my brother and sister?
Hold on now. Me not go on too per long in argument. Because you remember when you tell me say you get work. So you could give me something out of what you get. And what kind of bonus that you get so? Me no live so chargy.
You know, say you're evil. I know what you come and talking about money about, you know.
Oh, evil
Oh,
could
you
be.
responsible for my business. You give me money?
Mommy, Mommy, they no, me tell mommy say me say that I would have floss and I spend up much money, you know.
So I give me a work on the beach already. So you can't tell me nothing at all.
You give mommy money.
That's not your problem.
Hey boy, you know
don't
not
know
about
that.
tourists. You know
feel like
mommy,
Oh, go on here for what?
mommy,
What?
you know what say? I look a bird pinch me and tell me say, then you see Jayden in a club, a dash money pan girl. You understand what me I say? Pay flossing, mommy. Mommy, and you no give me you none of money.
Almighty God.
Mommy.
Jesse, hold on there, Jayden. Jesse, you know say your son bad mind against your brother.
Mommy,
You make some bad mind talk from the other day against your brother. Look how long none of tight one in our work. No, he get a job. Eh? And you go put on the jealousy talking there.
That is it, mommy. That is it. A
What
bad
is
mind,
wrong
girl,
with you?
bad mind.
stop
When
it
you
now.
in there in a club at show
Yeah.
money pan girl. You know how much money you just carrying a phone give me? 400 US.
Tell her.
Why you
You
not go look
better
at job?
shut up your
A
mouth and
company
move
all
from
looking
here,
up.
so.
That me I tell her.
Mommy, listen what me I
Listen
say
to
to you.
she.
Him just a try fi say only something fi cover up for me come and tell you now.
Yeah.
Me say the bird make me know say a pay US man have a leg or so.
And me's not the bird. I am your mother and his mother. Me they tell you just go but you look like you're not listening. Him just care 400 US come give me. You look like you're deaf. You're deaf?
Stage 4 bad mind, man. Stage 4 bad mind.
So stop from jealous over your brother. You need to go look at job now. Fi care more than the 400 US
That
come
is it.
give me. And stop
That
doing
is
this
it,
jealousy thing every time. One, get up.
You know,
Go on in the kitchen. See me left some flour and some chicken in there. So go on.
Look
Look about that. Look about it. Brown stew, some might. Hello. You know, you say when if a rain a fall and when name not JPS, water commission turn off the pipe. So go on the river, go pick some water. Get up and go on. So she can use it cook. One.
Just go there, come and see two like
Yes.
this place.
One man, you don't argue too much. One guy east, one guy west. By the time you go to some, when you catch a river, take a little nice wash off too. Not cost too much, man. They can't bother with you.
I want to go on now, big boss.
How you mean not going out? Why would me not see you, brother? I'm sitting up on a mission. About a week now, I'm not see you, brother.
Yeah, because you know, say, that little ones, because I know stick up a boy, what you know, say a zunk mission, they send up on bossy.
What do you mean, boy?
You get nothing at all. You go stick up a boy. And say, give me everything what you have. When I say no, nothing at all, I go start dig down now in pocket them and see. Nothing at all, I get bossy. I don't know, if I prank, you prank me around. I'm not take prank, you know.
I don't buy me prank you.
What you mean?
Listen what I say, man. I follow them for man.
Fully that, boss.
Listen what I say. Me see money now. My man tell me say get robbed now. All that money gone now.
Public mischief, you know, say a propaganda man has spread. Rumors.
And really like come on a bad man face can't tell lie.
Boss, your insurance, you know. No people rob their own place and them say and talk about saying they get robbed because they want insurance money. You know one thing you already want to see.
Listen what I say, man. Where I tell me a monkey story. Everything good, man. Let me say, anything like dark must come a light.
If you come a light because boss now get exposed.
Is it?
Can be a lie motel.
Alright.
So, me ask you boss, so what about the mission you send upon? Still where Monica, all Paris me have to take, you know.
Everything good, man.
Thing good.
Everything good, man.
Alright.
Is it? Everything good.
So, can me 1,000.
No have it.
Link to bartender, man. I feel bartender.
Left
Buy
out
me a
on
drink, right? I'm broke, you know.
Left out on place.
Alright.
What is life without money? That is like bees without honey. Yeah. The sun no joke, it not funny. Money man need. like a rat need cheese. So when you see me on my banger, I want for the cheddar. Remember, man a chop for better. Them say go to school, get a degree. Now me graduate with 15 subjects and a college degree, and still have fear fight for your system when I fight for me.
Oh, this feature, so I won't plug this.
So then see when the man plug quiet about this.
So all this company board, I never see it.
You must know. If you talk to about a thing now, you see me, so it's like a pocket print.
You hear me? Just give me a walk.
Joke.
Just hold my phone a
big
sec.
man. Better man left from you saying that you would car and gamble not with the name of you would tonight.
What go on?
You know what I'm saying? I have a good news for you. A very good news. Zane, and this I got turn on bad news too.
You talk about?
I know who rob you.
Where's our?
Yo, listen, I don't accept no. See no man. You know, so I'm born in Jayden.
Jayden.
Yeah, but them call him Eat Boss on the street.
I first thing I hear the name there.
And have a sister when me have chops still.
You?
Yeah.
So hold on.
My sister named Jessie.
What?
Sister named Jessie.
Jesse. You're not in a picture or nothing? What you say to me? Hold on there. Who you say this to you?
Stop excitement, man.
Hold on there. Are you a woman this?
Yeah, I'm a woman, brother, me a chop it.
Them not just like other girl. What you tell me say? Come on, do the maths. Boss man, and this a girl I me a tell about say boy I have recently. So one of me woman.
Alright, hear me I say. We don't need to... Yeah,
Hold on.
Yo, we don't need to dwell upon this.
No man.
Yo.
Hold on.
Hear me I say, no, man? I say we don't need to dwell upon this. I food we need to get back from the board, brother. And that me depend on you talk about, yeah, worry about girl.
You know say, come we think of it, you know. Like say she and whoever brother. Yo, that girl they all about money, you know. Money. So, like a she set me up, man.
They tell the last time sometimes good all the woman too. But they didn't believe me. They don't listen to me and say, I want to pray for bad in a circle.
Yo, me know she love money, but me never think she'll go so far. Hold on. You know how we can catch her? Him,
Right,
two of them.
Right now,
No, man.
Watch on the money, go there in yard, man. Right now.
You know, say I don't know where she living, because a girl always come pre me, you know. And come link me up.
Know yourself, man.
No,
Okay,
man,
right, then fuck
boss, man. Oh, dear, man. Hey, mother think, you know, you have stuff.
Stop worrying about the coming, man.
Boss, I know about my money, you know, man. How dear, man. Where's son? Where's son there? Where's son there?
I don't know which part then there.
Look here, man. Your son robbed me, you know. Your son hold me up and rob me. And I want my money. Fly high, fly low, I want my money. You understand?
Right now, I want it, you know.
You must know them there.
I don't know which part then there, sir.
Look here. You hear me, man?
So how much money they rob from you?
Your son robbed me over $450,000.
Jesus.
I want my money.
How you know say I'm my son?
What do you know say your son?
You see him?
Look here. Your daughter where you see there, there with the two away, you know.
Is it only one time?
Your daughter there with the two away. Zane, as a matter of fact, you know. Me see picture with them, you know, brother and sister. The two of them plan up and rob me my money, you know. Me not talking, you know. I'm the money I want, you know. I'm the money I come for. Deal it out for me, man. Yo,
Yeah, man, say no.
you think a play thing will come
I
here?
don't know which part my son there, you know, but me have one brother where me can make you follow me go in yard and we give me back the money for you, know.
You ready now?
Yes, right now. We
Today?
can carry around my brother. Yeah.
Today?
Yes, right now. Man.
Yo,
Gonna have you.
go in that vehicle.
Walk up the man.
Go in there, chop. I like to think this thing a play thing, you know, man. Chop. Ramping money, man.
Alright.
Yo, watch out, no man, I make sure.
Call the brother right now in the phone. Man. Call the brother right now.
Yo, hurry up, my lady, man.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, what going on, sister?
You dey run in your yard?
Yeah, I call about you. I'm here now.
Me in one serious situation right now. You have no money for your card, can lend me. I go give you back.
Well, me have cash, but me have cash. How much money you want, sir?
About 400,000.
Me have that, but what you want so much money to do?
Somebody me have to go give.
Alright. You know, say I'm a sister, no man. So anything I know, say I can't no foolish. So just link me. Maybe what I get of it fine.
Alright.
Go for that.
Yo, come in. Where your brother live?
Over the scheme.
Yo, come in, lock the door there. No funny moving. No.
Jayden. Wake up.
Yo,
Wake
what's your man?
up.
No problem. Me tell you just a contaminant.
Look on this. Just look on this and just tap your eyes. Hold the phone. Yeah, look on in a moment that. Then say me not fi care no police come down there and me if you come down there right now. So me would have want to know. Boy, right now me no know what me fi do. Give me my phone. Right now me no know what me fi do. Go, get ready, cause we have to go down there. Go get ready, cause right now. Hey, you see the two man them where you see? They old mommy. Me used to name them out. Me used to condemn me. I want if for this it a come off, bro. No, me no know what to do. Me no know.
Boy, sis, you know say, I can be honest with you. You know say one of them man there in a video. I feel money me the rob body here. Yeah. You see money that we suspect me about and something. That boy them stick up and take their money.
What you say?
Yeah, so me feel like say I my fault make them hold on for money right now. So
What you say, Jayden? Jayden, are you put mommy through this? Right now, we not no time for your eye go. We figure it out when we go on there for you or for me. But the most important part right now, I feel my mother safety right now. Just come on, brother. Just come on.
so we gonna figure it out. Mommy.
Yo, turn up right there, sir. Go around there, sir. Go around there, sir. No, come around there, sir. Come around there, sir.
Alright, mommy.
Come around there, sir.
Mommy,
Oh, Jesus.
Mommy, what happened? Mommy, all this happened. What then will I pray for mommy?
You tap your eyes, you know. How long you think the fear scheme they are run? Eh? I wish one away outside, man. Eh? Anyway, seriously, so me get down to business. Yo, where my money there?
I see, me not even know.
What?
Me not even know if you tell us, you know. I see, I mean, you know.
What you mean, Anna, yo?
Hey boy, shut your mouth, you know. Paul, listen to me now. Give us enough, listen to me now. I kill 12 man in the moment, you know. Right now, you know. It's a two chief, you know.
Boss, man.
Mommy,
You see what kind of daughter you go? I told her we should do with me. You see your daughter? I told her we should do with me. Tell her from now. One question I want to ask. How me I go get my money?
Because I not even know if you explain it, because I say easy come, easy go. Because amount of graph, I got the money. But I don't know. Money, it does fly quick out and not even know it disappear.
You know, see what happened here, so? What am I going to do?
you want me to say to your babe, right?
Babes. Wait here.
Remember, say we used to stay together, right?
I know
So
me here
you want
alone.
me to say?
I know me here alone. So just nobody say that. What you say now? Talk to me. I never want to hear that.
What me to say is right. I'm a mother, you know. I love my mother. As much as how we are the wrong things, me still can't bear if say she a go through this because of we. So me I be the bigger person and me I tell you, me I go ensure say you get back the money. Just give me a little time, make me work and sort it out.
You hear me? This way I put your mother through. You have to ensure that I get my money. You know. You see, the weekly thing, you have to ensure that I come carry right, so come give my money, I'm not like, you know, because when you see what we happen, you know.
Yes, boss.
You see what we happen. And if not, but in a boss man. Zayn, I say more money, play my money. I do them something, boss man. I kill me for killing me. You know. Zayn, where you hear me? As me say, make sure say every Friday money come here. And next time now I go pretty say you. Nobody can hold up people, you know, robbery again and them things. And go look at trade in a boy. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes.
pick up badness. You see what will happen to you? And you put your mother in a problem. Mummy, go on to them. Go on.
Badness enough, me, sir. I influence. Sorry. God bless you, sir. Come.
Yo, really I get soft, you know, man. If I one time I 3 grave digging, man.
Father Paul, listen to me I said. Yes, I'm money where I get a weekend time. Sure, see me get a money out of that.
Oh.
I mean,
You what? To be honest, you know, I'll give back your money.
Back him on what?
No, man, we just give back a lady money. When we collect from them, we take it, give her back her money. Fear of fear. She not deserve this. You have a mother too. You have a mother.
You're too soft, you know.
How old we I get? How old we I get?
Them never have a mother too.
Yeah, man, how old we I get? Just give back your mother. Just give back your mother. Zayn, sir, how are yourself? How are yourself? We give back your lady her money.
I say really go on because I did really worry in the country as I'm enough to call police now and then me have to give so much money. When say really go on?
Me did have to do it. Me definitely have to do it. And me tell the man them say he kidnap me. Yes.
Sis, you alright?
Yes.
You sure say alright?
Yes.
Yo, work on the thing, man.
Yeah, me.
Yo, come on up on a mission, man.
Don't call the police. Don't call no police.
Yo, dear man. Yo, you check it?
Look right, man.
Everything in there.
Yeah, man.
Homie.
Hmm?
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
No hard feelings still, you know. I nothing to do with you, you know, but when I lose my money, I have to get it back, you know. One way or the other, you know.
I understand.
I don't have nothing against you, but, you know, your son and your daughter can't go say, I have to get back my money. I say, I get back my money now, so I hate that. You understand me?
So like when you get back your money, I want to ask if you do me a favor.
Yeah, man.
You want to kill him?
No, I don't want to no kill them. I want to no act like you no kidnap me. For real and do a video with me. Say you no kidnap me. So you send the video to them and call them, make them come see me and tell them say they need to go no back the money. At least they can go look a job and pay back the money. Then we learn from this. So.
We kidnap you for real, you know. And I feel me line of thing that's, you know, but I have mother still, you know, so I don't know. What you say? Up to you, you know.
Yeah, man, we can do it fair, man.
You're young, you know, they need guidance, you see me.
At least they learn their lesson.
Well, I did have to do it, you know. I have to do what I do. God know. Because right now, not tell no lie. Them a do better. The two of them a work. Yes, all like carrying money. Go and show me how much money they get for them pay. And you don't know what to. The same man them when me get for kidnap me. Them have to pay back their man there. And the money where them pay back their man there, they use it and they give me back. Every money where they give them, they will take one little bit out there, but they give me part of it, and I eat me get to give you back. Remember somebody come to your fee money? Yes.
Right, sis, well, you know, say anything me will do for you. So, me lending you that money there, was never no problem. At least everything turned out good.
You know.
I was in a car come.
When I come down, if it a go down.
How much am I pay you up this way hour?
Not even knowing sis. That's why I want to me have a work. So I can keep back people the money and them sitting there.
You have to just do the right thing, yeah, man. Because right now, over which part me there at 32,000 every fortnight, and if me not put in the hours, me nah go and get enough money. But you see, one thing me really a focus on to make mommy happy. Take her out of the labor board also we in, and just make sure so watch how we show her so we really sorry. You understand me? I say, me want to drive, you know. I want to where I go.
Like you ready?
Later.
Alright. Yeah, man.
This
Love your ear, sis.
Come on.
Bad living in the family. Everybody want money easy. No one want work. Just hype and jealousy. Now the whole place turn tragedy. Mama talk, but them not listen. One choice change everything. Now them can't escape. Little youth never bad from birth, but him sister bring problem first. Man them link and a plan for the worst. Do this job quick money feel. He never know what he must step into. Gun in a hand, heart start race. I'm friend him send him go rob. Same circle, same dirty job. Bad living in the family. Everybody want money easy. No one want work. Just hype and jealousy. Now the whole place turn tragedy.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you.